Introducing waterproof lightweight Annie backpack.
Introducing the waterproof lightweight Annie backpack. Take a look at this perfect backpack. Starting with this premium coated nylon with recycled leather. It got high performance, lightweight comfort, and yes, the incredible style. Easy to carry, and guess what? It's crease-free, making it perfect to pack right into your luggage. Let's talk about the details. The top zipper opens wide for easy access. And it is waterproof, so you are covered, rain or shine. And with this size, with AnyLink, they let you switch up to the shape, so you can carry it with hand or crossbody or wear it as a backpack. Here's the smartest design, a customizable monogram tag. Add your own personal touch. 2 front pockets is so nice and spacious. And we also added 2 elastic side pockets to hold whatever you want. Let's talk about inside. There is 1 padded laptop compartment for you to keep up to 6-inch laptop, 1 zip pocket, and 2 sleeve pockets. We also have this key leash with a card slot to hold all your cards. Our signature trolley pass-through sleeve padded shoulder strap for extra comfort. Perfect spot for sunnies. A discreet phone pocket. Every part of this bag is designed with intention, making your travel and work life that much easier. It's for anyone, anywhere, anywhere.